Weather Service.
Out of nowhere.
Flash flood watch in effect from Saturday afternoon through late Saturday night. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in New Jersey, Camden, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, eastern Monmouth, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, southeastern Burlington, Sussex, Warren, and western Monmouth.
Jeez.
In Pennsylvania, Berks, Carbon, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, lower Bucks, Monroe, Northampton, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. From Saturday afternoon through late Saturday night. Thunderstorms with locally heavy rain are expected to affect eastern Pennsylvania, northern Delaware, and New Jersey from Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches are anticipated in a short amount of time, with local amounts up to 3 to 5 inches possible. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Bro, you scared me the freaking living death out of me, man.